Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's cold here in Chicago and across most of the U.S. Midwest. Wind chills are coldest that we've seen since 1996. The impact on the markets could be that it'll add to feed usage in the livestock. It'll add stress to livestock. Could be some issues with logistics and also maybe stress a little bit of the U.S. winter wheat crop. Overnight prices are just up a little bit though, because the overall factor for 2014 is that the market thinks we're going to see increased supply, increased carryouts, and still see lower prices. The big news this week will be Friday's USDA supply and demand report, their estimates of last year's final U.S. crops, D1 stocks, and also their first estimate of 2014 U.S. winter wheat acres. We've seen some average guesses, and it looks like the big numbers will be the stocks numbers. The average guess, if the USDA comes below that because they don't count grain in transit, could offer some support to the market. Other than that, though, where we expect corn carryout to go up. We did see one private estimate that the U.S. soybean crop is a little bit bigger, but they added to exports and they lowered the Argentina crop to offset that. So we also will be watching the funds this week. We're hearing more and more of the funds getting out of trading in commodities in general. They are long beans and meal, short oil, corn and wheat, so that could have an impact on those markets. We also note that in the rebalance index, funds may come in and buy corn. Historically, it doesn't change price dramatically, but it could offer some support to the corn market. Later this week, temperatures will get back closer to normal, and we'll try to assess the damages that this frigid cold temperatures may have had on either the winter wheat crop or logistics. So in general, we still have the same theme in 2014. As long as we have favorable South American weather, as long as we have good U.S. weather in the summer, prices should go lower. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. You're all 780-868-75.